Hey folks, cooking shows and the joy of new taste sensations are a family favorite. We crossed the Hudson River from Manhattan to Hoboken, New Jersey to visit where the Cake Boss TV reality series was filmed. Welcome to that place.
The ferry over here from Manhattan, see Carlo's Bakery. I've always watched the show, was a huge fan. For years and years, my daughter and I, we finally got here, and it's so good. So we walked inside. From the outside, we thought, okay, it wasn't like a stage-looking set, but when you go inside and you see the family portrait and you try the cannoli, it's out of this world. It's worth every single mile that you can come and see this place. It's so good. It's worth it.
The Cake Boss TV show helped put Hoboken, New Jersey on the map as a tourist destination. The TV show focused on designer, difficult-to-make themed cakes, as well as family dynamics. Carlo's Deli also has cookies, rainbow cakes, and Italian pastries.
Let's do it one by one. This is the cannoli. Years to come here. This is gonna be good. Yummy, yummy. No. Oh my god. So good. That's a good cannoli. You like cannolis, it's good. Just see, and then go to see the lobster claw.
This is a lobster claw. I've actually never had one. They have Baileys in them and
Is that like the croissant? Shape? Looks like the croissant shape.
I'm curious. These are supposed to be really, these are like these and the cannolis are supposed to be.
It's crunchy too. You know what? That is taking the ferry all the way here for this lobster claw cannolis. Carlo's Bakery. Finally. Yeah. It's a different thing. Wow.
Those are both really sweet. I would do more than one.
Fabulous. Wow.
Good old Buddy the Baker has 12 Carlo's Bakery locations, including one in Toronto and several in Las Vegas. Besides visiting the original store in Hoboken, New Jersey, we went to the Midtown Manhattan location in New York City. It's conveniently located near Times Square, as well as the Theater District, right on 8th Avenue at West 41st. Carlo's Bakery helped put Hoboken, New Jersey on the map as a tourist destination. It's no secret that Hoboken, New Jersey has the best views of downtown and midtown Manhattan, New York. Pier A Park, next to the Hoboken Path Train Center, is a fantastic place to hang out, or you can take a waterfront trail that leads all the way up to Lincoln Harbor, where the ferry goes to Manhattan.
Hey folks, be fantastic. Appreciate your support. We'll see you next time at that place.